Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by positioning the cursor at the first paragraph of the page whose number you want to remove. Once done, go to Insert or Layout, choose Breaks and pick Next Page to create a new section. This isolates that page from the previous numbering flow. Then double-click the header or footer area to open the header and footer tools. Make sure you can see the section label in the status bar so you know you're editing the correct section. With the header or footer open, immediately click Link to Previous to unlink the new section from the prior one. This stops numbering changes from cascading. Next, select the page number on the target page and press Delete, or use Page Number, remove page numbers to clear it on that section only. After that, navigate to the following section, Header/Footer, to confirm numbering resumes where expected. If needed, reinsert a page number and set the proper format or start. Finally, adjust numbering so the rest of the document remains correct. In header and footer, choose Page Number Format and set Start at to the number you want the next section to show. Make sure there are no stray section breaks before or after the page, because extra breaks commonly cause numbering jumps. If numbering still shifts, toggle field codes or update fields, Control plus then F9. Always save a copy before big edits so you can revert if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.